This analysis explored the Loknayak Ganga Path, highlighting its role in modernizing Patna, easing congestion and enhancing connectivity. Loknayak Ganga Path, a transformational project by Nitish Kumar's government. The Loknayak Ganga Path, commonly referred to as the Patna Marine Drive, is an ambitious project spearheaded by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar government. This 21.5 km long expressway, along with the southern bank of Ganges, is poised to transform Patna's infrastructure, decongest its road and provide a scenic riverfront experience. A vision for modern Patna. Evincers as a solution to Patna growing traffic problem, the Loknayak Ganga Path connects Digha in the west to Dhirganj in the east. The expressway is designed to reduce the travel time, promote tourism and enhance urban living standard. By integrating modern engineering with environmental consideration, the project reflects the Bihar government commitment to sustainable and inclusive development. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar highlighted the importance of initiatives, stating, "The Loknayak Ganga Path is more than a road, it's a gateway to progress. This project will modernize Patna, attract investment and provide residents with a world-class riverfront experience. Improve connectivity. The expressway provides a direct east-west corridor, significantly reducing congestion on Patna's arterial route. It is expected to boost trade by facilitating smoother transportation of goods. Tourism and recreation. Modeled after Mumbai Marine Drive, the project includes green spaces, promenades, and recreational areas. These features aim to transfer the Ganga riverfront into a destination for local and tourism alike. Sustainable development. Eco-friendly measures such as afforestation and advanced waste management system has been integrated to protect the Ganga's ecosystem and ensure the project's sustainability. Economic opportunity. The Loknayak Ganga Path is anticipated to trigger economic growth by improving connectivity to industrial zones and attracting real estate and e-commercial investment along the riverfront. Challenges and solution. The project faced significant hurdles including land acquisitions, despite environmental concern and technical complexity of constructing near a major river. Despite these challenges, the Nitish Kumar government prioritized stakeholder engage and adopt innovative engineering techniques to ensure timely progress. A project official stated, "Constructing along the Ganga was no easy feat. Balancing development and environmental preservation was our primary focus, and we worked tirelessly to address concern." Public reception. The people of Patna have welcomed the Loknayak Ganga Path with enthusiasm. For many, it symbolizes a new era of urban development. This project will not only save time but also give us a beautiful space to enjoy. Future prospect. The project is set to connect with major highway and bridges, including 6-lane Kachi Dargah Bidupur Bridge, further enhancing Bihar connectivity. Plans for commercial and residential development along the riverfront are also in motion, aiming to redefine Patna's urban landscape. A model for progress. The Loknayak Ganga Path stands as a treatment to Bihar transformation under Nitish Kumar's leadership. By addressing urban challenges while fostering growth and sustainability, it has become a model to visionary development. As it takes shape, this project promises to reshape Patna and pave the way for the modern, prosperous future. Thank you for watching this video.